Hey guys, welcome to Tech is Guru. Today we'll be learning how to unrestrict someone on Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now to unrestrict someone on Instagram, first open up the Instagram app, and from over here guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon in a small circle. Tap on it, and over here at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the three lined icons available for us. Tap on the three lined icon, and over here scroll down until you can find the restricted option just above the limited interactions. Tap on restricted and tap on continue, and over here you can see the unrestricted option available for us. Tap on that unrestrict button for the contact whom you want, and this way guys that account will be unrestricted on Instagram. And guys, this is how to unrestrict someone on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.